Imagine a world where your living space doesn't just house your tech, but breathes with it, anticipating your every move before you even make it. For years, the original HomePod Mini has been the reliable, pint-sized heart of the smart home, but the whispers coming out of Cupertino suggest that the era of good enough is officially over. We are standing on the precipice of a massive shift in how we consume audio and interact with intelligence, as the Apple HomePod Mini 2 prepares to redefine the very concept of a smart speaker. This isn't just a minor refresh or a simple spec bump. This is a complete re-engineering of acoustic physics paired with the most advanced artificial intelligence ever crammed into a spherical chassis. The leaked schematics and supply chain rumors point toward a device that solves every single pain point of the first generation while introducing features we didn't even know we needed yet. We're talking about a radical leap in soundstage depth that defies the laws of its physical size, utilizing a brand new high-excursion woofer system that delivers bass so tight and impactful it feels like a device 3 times its volume. But the real magic lies beneath the mesh fabric where the new S-Series silicon lives, turning this speaker into a localized AI powerhouse that processes Siri requests with near-zero latency, finally making the smart home feel instantaneous. Every detail, from the refined backlit touch surface that now spans the entire top diameter to the integration of ultra-wideband Gen 2 chips for seamless handoffs, suggests Apple is doubling down on the ecosystem experience. You've likely felt the frustration of a smart assistant that doesn't quite hear you or a small speaker that distorts when the volume kicks up, but those days are numbered because the HomePod Mini 2 is engineered to listen with surgical precision using a sophisticated far-field microphone array that isolates your voice even amidst a chaotic environment. As we dive deeper into the hardware breakthroughs, it becomes clear that Apple is leveraging computational audio in ways previously reserved for the high-end HomePod, using real-time room sensing to map your environment and tune the EQ perfectly every single second. This means whether you place it on a bookshelf, a granite countertop, or a wooden nightstand, the audio profile shifts dynamically to ensure the mids are crystal clear and the highs remain shimmering without becoming piercing. The integration with the broader Apple Vision is where things get truly wild, with rumors suggesting the HomePod Mini 2 will act as a critical anchor for the upcoming home robotics and advanced spatial computing initiatives, serving as a spatial audio node that syncs perfectly with your headset or glass devices to create a literal bubble of sound. We are seeing reports of a new thread and matter controller architecture that makes this the most stable smart home hub in existence, ensuring your lights, locks, and cameras respond the millisecond you give the word. For the audiophiles who dismissed the original as a toy, the internal redesigned transducer and custom acoustic waveguide are set to change that narrative entirely, providing a 360-degree sound field that feels immersive rather than directional. The color palette is also seeing a sophisticated overhaul, moving toward deep, rich earth tones and metallic finishes that allow the device to disappear into modern interior design while still making a premium statement. When you consider the competitive landscape, it's obvious that Apple isn't just trying to compete with other small speakers. They're trying to own the ambient experience of your life. The leaked pricing structures suggest Apple is aiming for a buy-two strategy, encouraging users to create stereo pairs that rival traditional high-fidelity bookshelf setups at a fraction of the footprint. As we wait for the official March reveal, the sheer volume of high-quality leaks regarding the battery-powered portable variant or the possibility of an integrated screen variant keeps the tech world in a state of constant frenzy. This is the moment where the smart speaker evolved from a novelty into a necessity, a silent conductor for your digital symphony that works so well you forget it's even there until the music starts and the room begins to vibrate with a clarity that shouldn't be possible. The HomePod Mini 2 represents the culmination of Apple's decade-long obsession with miniaturized audio excellence, proving once and for all that size is no longer a limitation for world-class performance. From the way it handles the most complex orchestral arrangements to the intimacy of a podcast host's voice, the tuning is being handled by the same legendary engineering teams that gave us the AirPods Max, ensuring a signature sound that is both neutral and incredibly engaging. If you have been holding off on upgrading your home setup, the evidence is overwhelming that this is the device worth waiting for, as it bridges the gap between affordable convenience and luxury audio quality in a way no other manufacturer has managed to replicate.